In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Ash in Infinite Craft. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Infinite Craft on your device. You can do that by opening the application on your mobile device or opening the web version on your PC, laptop, or any other device. Now go ahead and drag a wind element on your canvas. After that, go ahead and drag an earth element on your canvas. Go ahead and drag this and combine it with the wind element to create a dust. After that, go ahead and drag the fire element to your canvas and combine it with dust to create a ash. And that is how you can simply make Ash in Infinite Craft. It only took a few steps and can be easily kept in mind. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like. And if there are any other recipes that you want us to create a video for, don't forget to comment it down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.